Ms. Stewart?
Hi, thank you so much. Chair Eldridge, Chair Day, and members of the committee. My name is Erin Stewart, and I am testifying on behalf of Citizens for Juvenile Justice in support of H.1650, H.1756, and S.954 that bring much needed protection for children who have encounters with law enforcement. Our executive director has also submitted written testimony for your consideration. In the seminal 2011 U.S. Supreme Court decision, JDB v. North Carolina, Justice Sonia Sotomayor said, "It is beyond dispute that children will often feel bound to submit to police questioning when an adult in the same circumstances would feel free to leave. This reality places young people at a heightened disadvantage when being interrogated by law enforcement and establishes the importance of ensuring that legal counsel is present with them to ensure an understanding of their rights. Research establishes the vulnerability of young people during interrogations. For example, only 1 out of every 5 young people understand their Miranda rights, which include the right to remain silent, the right to an attorney, and the fact that anything they say can be used against them. 2/3 of youth incorrectly believe that they will be penalized for exercising their right to remain silent. Young people waive their Miranda rights nearly 90% of the time. Most relevant to this legislation, the least understood Miranda warning among minors is the right to consult with an attorney prior to questioning. Adolescents are less capable of assessing risk, understanding and weighing consequences, and perceiving deceit and manipulation, and withstanding coercion, especially in high-stress situations, including interrogations. This heightened vulnerability leads to damaging consequences. Adolescents are 2 to 3 times more likely to falsely confess than adults. Black youth are more than 4 times as likely to experience a custodial arrest as their white peers, and Latin youth are almost 3 times more likely to experience a custodial arrest than their white peers, meaning that they have a disproportionate likelihood of facing law enforcement interrogation and thus a need of these protections. H.1650 addresses this need to protect the constitutional rights of young people by requiring videotaping and having an attorney present at reading of Miranda rights and during police interrogations when a youth has a pending felony charge. This bill ensures that a young person's ability to have their rights protected by an attorney isn't conditioned on their socioeconomic background by providing access to a public defender if they cannot afford an attorney. H.1756 further provides to reduce false confessions by young people by prohibiting deceptive tactics and interrogations. Central to the ideas of fairness and justice are ensuring that young people in the Commonwealth have their constitutional rights protected. I'm open for questions and thank you for giving me the opportunity to testify today.